Funny thing about elevators, they're in between spaces. That here, that there, just waiting. And sometimes that's how America feels. Stuck between the dream we promised and the reality we're living. Once upon a time, Brand America was most powerful promise in the world. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, packaged in red, white, and blue. Somewhere along that way, the shine faded. Trust broke. The world stopped believing our promise. Polls show most people now see America as more problem than promise. And that hurts. Not just our pride, but our future. And yet, the world still loves our values, such as creativity, optimism, and diversity. The problem isn't who we are. It's because we need to live up to the promise we had. Fixing a brand doesn't start with a logo, it starts with trust. If America wants the world to believe in its dream again, here's how we begin. Lead with honesty. America must show that trust matters more than spin. Invest in people. When we care for classrooms, community, and small businesses, we build the foundation everyone can believe in. By working with the world on climate, progress, and peace, we earn back partners we need. Celebrate diversity. Our greatest story is many voices, not one. Diversity is not Americans' challenge, it's our superpower. Listen, don't lecture. The world doesn't need another sermon. It needs a partner willing to listen, learn, and share the stage. Real changes can transform America from loud commercial to a living promise.